If you want to download a new app on Samsung Galaxy A17, then in this case we can go to the Play Store. In order to use Play Store, you will have to sign into a Google account, and once you do so, you should be able to find Apps section over here, where we can find a bunch of different apps that you can install. And yeah, if you're looking for something more specific, you can also choose categories over here at the top, and you can search for apps based on categories. And if you know the name of the app that you want to install, then of course you can use search over here, and then at the top we can write the name of the app. So let's say I'm gonna use Amazon. There we go. You should be able to find example apps that you want to install. In my case, I actually have it already. So let's use a different app. As an example, over here we're gonna go to Amazon Music, and as you can see we have the install button, so we can tap over here in order to install the app. And once the app is installed, you should be able to open it from the Play Store over here directly, or you can go to the app drawer and you should be able to find it in the app drawer somewhere over here once it is of course installed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.